Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video and today I'm going to talk about market structure. Market structure based on fractal nature of price action. So first thing first, you need to learn about what is fractal and why it is needed in our trading. So fractal is basically a high or the low of the market which has most amount of liquidity, or you can say fractal is basically a wick which is higher or lower than the either sides of the two wicks. So let's see, if we want to see a fractal low first, because market is bearish, we will first look at the most recent price action, which is this here. So if we look at this price action here, this low is lower than the either sides of the two wicks. I mean, this wick is lower than this and this wick, so it makes it a fractal low. So to find the fractal high, we need to go to the most recent high of the market, which is here, because this high is higher than the either sides of the two wicks. I mean, this wick is higher than this and this, so it makes it a fractal high. So it's either a weekly time frame, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 minute. This rule remains the same. So any wick which is higher or lower than the either sides of the wicks makes it a fractal high or low. So this is a over fractal low and this is fractal high. So I will be talking about market structure based on fractal nature of price action. So let's get right into it. We will start from right here at this area and from here. So as you know that this is the fractal low, this is weekly time frame, and this is weekly low, and this is weekly high based on the fractal nature. And market came down and goes up again, tried to break this structure and it failed. So it started coming down, dropping again and again, and finally it broke the level right here. So when it broke the level, that means market is bearish, and it broke further down, and it means it's a continuation of the bearish market. So it came here, and when the next candle closed, that means it left us with the fractal low, which is the weekly low here. This is weekly low, and to find the weekly high, we will look for the most recent fractal high, which is right here. This candle, this wick is higher than these either sides of the two wicks, which makes it a fractal high. So this will be our weekly high. So price came back, pulled back, and created equal highs and could not break it again, break and close, and started coming back again. So again, market created a fractal low. We will make it a weekly low, and then our weekly high will be this fractal high. This is the closest one and the most recent, so this will be our weekly high or the fractal high. So market came down and then pulled back and again drops, so that means our new weekly low will be this, and our weekly high will be this based on the fractal nature of price action. So we are still bearish and we expect further drop or something based on the weekly time frame. So this is weekly time frame, doesn't mean you trade weekly time frame. It is just for the larger picture, and you go to the daily 4H 1H for further multi time frame analysis, and then you decide about taking a trade. So I hope you understand fractal nature of price action and the market structure. So I'll be making more videos, and I'll see you in the next.